job that was Tom and Jerry.
Hello Tom, hello Jerry.
You know what? Usually I will tell my friends somebody coming from the corner.
Who are they?
Sultan
And Fatima, the third largest parrot in the world.
ثالث أكبر مكاو بالعالم. Friends, you can roll a video, take a photo, but no flashlight, please. صوروا فيديو صور بدون ضوء الفلاش. This bird scared from the flash, and all the birds scared from the flash. DJ, can you tell everybody who's coming next?
Let us welcome also joining us the second largest parrot in the world. His name is Rex. He is going to give us a short message, and at the same time, he is going to raise the USA flag. Come on, everybody.
ثاني أكبر مكاو بالعالم مدينة مريم. DJ, I need your help. W.
That is work
What about E?
with extra work.
Alright, L.
That is love.
Woohoo! C.
Love is not complete without K.
Of course, O.
O-N-G.
Oh my God, M.
Mama. Put them together when it says,
Welcome everybody to Big Part Pet Show. Oh look, so quick.
Yalla, faster. Ya salam.
Thank you, Rex. Always with amazing trainer, Mariam. DJ Cast. My friends saw the dolphins do some dancing. Yeah. Now they are going to see a bird do some dancing.
By the way, how good you are in dancing?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so good in dancing. What about you?
I can dance like NJ.
Wait a minute. You mean Michael Jackson?
Michael Joshua.
Who is that?
My grandfather.
Jidda?
You wanna
How old is he?
96.
And which kind of dance he dancing?
Bollywood.
Wallah. Let's welcome the three dancers coming from inside. Coco from Africa, Trina Mullen. Pinky from Australia with Trina Mariam, and Kiki with Trina Ronnie.
Clap your hands to the beat. Come on.
Baby, hands up.
Yes, sir.
Baby, your time. Baby, baby,
Keep
your
dancing.
time. Baby, your
moving.
hands up. Baby, hands up.
Aha.
Baby, your time.
Yes, salam.
Baby, baby,
Yes, salam,
your
yes, salam, yes, salam,
time.
yes, salam.
Ah.
You know what, bro? You can shake to the east and west. That's why they are the best. What can you say about their dancing? But do you think that you can dance better than the birds?
Me?
Yes.
Oh, hit Arabic music and I will show everybody.
Really?
Yalla.
I
Like
like
this. We have this in Arabic.
Hey, what kind of book is this?
Arabic,
How
Arabic.
about the Bollywood dancer?
Bollywood is easy. Like this.
It gives me goosebumps, bro. I love it.
Thank you. Friends, let me ask the birds. Coco, my dance good, Roxy hello?
No good.
Binky, my dance bad, Roxy said
Not really bad.
Kiki, say something good for me.
She doesn't care.
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
I love you, I love you, love you, baby, baby, baby.
Alright, thank you Trina Ron and Kiki, Trina Mariam and Binky. Now Trina Marley will show us how smart is the African parrot طائر ذكي جدا.
Loves to play puzzles with different shapes and colors. What is circle yellow?
قل potassium in most banana.
How about the triangle green?
Oh, the delicious fruit, avocado.
Do you believe in love?
Of course.
Red color is the colors of love. And how about the blue?
Blueberry.
The most expensive fruits ever.
All the kids here, look here, there. If you do this, mommy and daddy will be happy always, دائما نظيف, always clean.
You know what, kids? Try to do this at home and your parents will be proud of you. Once you say rubbish, pick it up just like that and put it in the dustbin.
But after that, what you have to do?
Show to the kids your good manners. Come on. Never forget to close the bin always.
Now friends, one more time, no flashlight, you don't go with the flash, rule a video, so a video. Coco is coming to talk to you. How are you doing on Marlin today?
I'm good, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Coco, we are here in Dubai. What is the first words we have to say to the people in Arabic?
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Wa alaikum salam wa ikram. Coco, what do you want to ask my friend sitting here?
Alright, Coco, ask everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing good. Coco, what about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning, Coco. Tell everybody who's your best friend.
Meow, meow.
Cat, who's the one take your food and run away every day? Go. Coco, if you see a beautiful lady, what do you want to do? Only kidding, I keep myself. Coco, imagine my birthday is today. What do you want to say to me?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. But if you forget to bring the presents to me, then see the Ghibli Hadaya, what do you want to say?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hey, don't say bye-bye. You can buy paratha with chai for him.
Yeah, falafel, no problem. Thank you, Malik. Thank you, Coco.
Bye, bye-bye.
Espresso, no problem. DJ, do you believe in magic?
So.
I will do some magic with this card, but I need help. I will call both of you to join me here. Yeah. Lady, stand next to me here. Say, stand next to me here. Lady, pick up one card. Hide it, don't show it to me. Say, pick up one card. Hide it, don't show it to me. I chill through you. I appreciate it. Listen, friends. My friends here pick two tickets. So I will put it in the table like this. I will shuffle it. DJ,
Yes.
I will put it in straight line.
Uh-huh.
And we will see if Mr. Amazon will know the cards the lady and the gentleman picked before. What do you think? You will know?
We have to wait and watch.
Alright.
But how many cards we are looking for?
2 cards.
What is the first card?
I think horse.
Horse. Horse son.
The sun.
Hey, is that horse?
Let me check. Oh no. It's Jera.
I know the second card.
What is it?
My number one enemy.
Snake.
My mother-in-law.
Hamata?
Just kidding. She loves me, bro.
Friends, did you hear him? Rule a video and sing. Thank you, Thank you, Mr. Amazon. Oh yeah, I like this music.
Hey, bro, are you going to dance hula hoop?
Maybe.
You know what? Call adults, bro. For
Yeah, I will call somebody from the adults there. I need your help. Yeah, you. And this, I want you to join me here. You will dance hula hoop.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding. Sorry. Stand on the line. Here. Yeah, here. Yeah. And take this ring this side and raise it up. Yeah, like this. Amazing. DJ, can you tell everybody who's coming now?
Here comes the third largest pirate in the world. His name is Jenko.
Wow. Woo. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Another, sir. Dance hula hoop or try this?
Django is found in South America and he loves to fly through the hoop. Come on, and here he comes.
Wow. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pino Mariel. Thank you, Mr. Django. DJ, I want to listen, friends, look at me. I will show you how to feed this bird. The bird will fly to my hand. The bird will eat the food. Listen, when you finish, I have to close my bag quickly. لازم سكر الكتف بسرعة. The bird will fly back to the trainer. I need 2 mommies. Ladies shouldn't be scared. صبايا 2 ما بيخافوا. I have
You're
to
not a
be scared
mommy.
for the reason who didn't
You're
join
not a
me.
mommy.
Only mummies.
Only mommies.
Stand here, please. Lady, we have a rule for this.
What is the rule?
The rule says, do not eat the bird's food. I want to try
Oh,
it.
yeah.
When he finish eating, close your mouth.
By the way, how we can recognize the male and the female?
With the 2 cans by the size of the mouth. If the size of the mouth is small, it's a girl like she. If the size of the mouth is big, he's a boy. Another mama, Sabaya, mama. Come.
So the small mouth is a girl.
Small mouth is girl only in bird's family. In real life, we have to ask all the husbands. They will tell us who have the big mouth.
Some of the daddies are laughing.
Oh, they will sleep at the balcony without dinner, DJ.
Yeah, some people clean the house as
Yeah,
well.
Alhamdulillah, I'm single.
These kinds of bird, the toucans, they gonna fly for long distance. They can fly only like 40 to 60 meters at a time because look at the big,
Close.
almost the half size of their body.
Close your palm, lady. Hello? Yeah.
They are famous in South America, such as Colombia, Ecuador.
Lady, don't worry. Don't worry. Raise your hand up like
She
this.
likes you.
Yeah, don't worry.
Yes. What she is doing, bro?
She's checking. What's she wearing? What's the makeup? What's the color? All the girls do this. Thank you, Marlon.
Ang Malaku Abiyan. Mr. John Picasso is a white Sudbury cactus. In cactus, there are 16 living species divided in 4 colors. Some of these are black, gray, pink, and white. The cactus are famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. They really love to eat some fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries. By the way, bro, how we can recognize the male and the female with the white cactus?
So the white cockatoos by the color of the eye. If the color of the eye is black, he's a boy like him. With a long line aswad, هو يصبي مثله. If the color of the eye is red, he's a girl. With a long line ahmar, he's convinced.
And did you know that their maturity, they can live up to 60 to 100 years of age? Especially the black palm cockatoo. And you know what is the funny facts about the black palm cockatoo? That they can live for 100 years with one partner.
What?
Yes, just like humans.
How like a human?
Ask Daddy.
Daddy, You can live with the same wife more than 100 years. Remember, she is next to you. Say yes, man. Say yes, bro.
So what does the painting look like, brother? Now?
Oh, look. Maybe some kind of juice.
Juice?
Yeah.
What kind of juice?
I don't know, mix. Yeah, what's the
Ask them into, bro.
Kids, what's the meeting look like? Sit down, sit down. What? Macau, good answer. Go. Ballad. Woohoo! Yes? Ballad. Okay, DJ, what do you think?
A fruit.
Huh?
Yes, my favorite fruit.
Which kind of fruit is this?
Fruit salad.
Are you hungry? Mr. John, DJ can't say it's a fruit salad.
No?
I said it's a juice.
Oh.
It's a ballad. What? Oh, wait a minute. You will give us signal. What is this?
Hey, bro.
What?
I think that it's the half round that you can see in the sky.
Yeah.
It's 7 colors.
Wait a minute. Quzquzah rainbow?
Maybe.
Mr. John, it's a rainbow. This one is a rainbow.
You're not a... We are asking the bird.
A rainbow parrot.
A rainbow pa. Oh. All right. Thank you, Mr. John. Thank you, Trainer Marlon.
Oh.
Wow.
I will give you 1 point, bro.
Okay. Last round, rings. Did you sell from my food to Red Bull to your friends?
Yes, it works. Okay, ready? Yalla. Hey, come on.
Come on, we need to go. What yes? What yes?
We are the winner.
No.
How
Your
come?
team was cheating.
Oh, come on, bro.
She stopped before we say yalla.
Ask your job.
I will ask my best friend, the man who's sitting here. My friend, we're traveling together, studying together, عشنا درسنا سوا. He's my best friend.
Where?
This gentleman.
You know what, bro? You are right.
Yeah. How?
After
because he
sorry
told
for
me.
mommy and
He
daddy
what?
playing.
He told me.
Baby,
How he told you?
He is my good-looking brother.
A hook?
Yes. Look at the color, the same, bro. And you know what? My moms love him too much.
No, he's my best
He
friend.
doesn't know how to lie.
My friend, who win, me or him?
Come on, bro.
Say the truth, me.
Hey, bro.
What?
He's not my brother.
Really? And you know what? He's not my friend also. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Maria. Only kidding, friends. Yeah, and how can we organize the male and the female? When they have a baby, sometimes the father tries to kill the baby. So the mother, the big size the mother. لما بيكون عندهم أطفال، الأب بالفطرة بيحاول يأذي الأطفال، فالأم دائما بتكون أقوى وأكبر حجم لتحمي أطفالها.
You know what, bro? When you fly by, I can smell something.
Me too.
You too?
Yeah, I will ask Trainer Ronnie. Trainer Ronnie, what did you feed him today? شو طعمته اليوم? KFC chicken.
Spicy or regular?
Spicy?
Combo?
Combo with what?
Of course, with biryani.
With biryani? Can I be Eugene the whole like this? Thank you, Trainer Ronnie. Thank you, Eugene. Good life for Mr.
Yeah.
Eugene, yeah? It's time for basketball. Do you like basketball, DJ?
I love basketball.
Okay, we will play a game. You will choose the team. I will choose the team.
Okay, let me choose that side.
Which side? Marlon?
Yes.
Okay, who wants to support DJ and Marlon's side? Raise your hand up.
Yes, we will win.
MashaAllah. Who wants to support my team?
You will lose.
We're both of teams leading on my team.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Yeah.
First, who will win this match? Whoever comes first is the winner.
All the kids sit down, please. Don't raise
Yes,
your hand
please
up.
sit
Yeah,
down.
Sit down.
Okay, I think you're going to win this match, bro.
Yeah, look. Oh, 1-0 for
He
me.
is so fast. Why?
I feed him Red Bull today.
Red Bull?
Yeah. What
You
about
know,
your bird?
He drink chai.
Chai?
Sugar.
Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Maria. Now, up, we'll take a picture, print it, and give it to you. He's so friendly, so lovely. Love to take pictures with people. About the pictures, I will tell you the offers. Thank you, Trainer Ronnie. Thank you, Andre the Giant. Yeah, awesome trainer and great players.
Finish?
About the pictures, friends, we